In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wolfe Wave Detector in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in and you have your TradingView chart open on the screen. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies menu. When that panel opens, you'll see a few different sections, but the fastest way to find what we need is by using the search box at the top. Click directly into the search box so you see your cursor blinking there and you're ready to type. This search bar lets you quickly filter through all available indicators instead of scrolling through long lists. Now in that search box, start typing Wolfe Wave Detector. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow down the results to anything that matches those words. Take a moment to look through the results that appear underneath the search field and locate the Wolfe Wave Detector you want to use. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will add the indicator directly onto your chart. You should now notice new markings and lines that represent potential Wolfe Wave patterns on your chart. If the indicator opens with default settings, feel free to hover over its name in the chart's upper left corner and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust inputs, colors, and visibility to match your trading style and make the patterns easier to read. It's a good idea to zoom in and out on your chart and switch between a couple of time frames so you can see how the Wolfe Wave Detector behaves in different market conditions. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading to it to unlock more features and a smoother experience with multiple indicators, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. That link takes you straight to the TradingView Pro sign up or upgrade page, and it's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on indicators, using the search box to look for Wolfe Wave Detector, and then applying it to your chart, you're all set to start analyzing Wolfe Wave patterns inside TradingView Pro.